bells, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you all how I make this wonderful, easy to make, delicious JD barbecue wings. So to get started, first you're gonna clean your wings with white distilled vinegar. Gonna soak for a few minutes, then you're gonna wash them well. Here are the seasonings that I will be using on our JD wings today. I will give you the measurements as we're seasoning them later. And here is our special guest, Mr. Jack Daniel's Honey Whiskey. We'll be using roughly a half a cup to season. Here I'm just making sure that my wings are clean and free of excess fat or those little yellow fat parts you see there. I'm just making sure it's all cleaned off. So we're just gonna wash it some more to ensure that. Next, I'm gonna add all of the seasoning in the Jack Daniel's whiskey to create this nice whiskey seasoned marinade. Oh my goodness, guys, I wish you could smell how wonderful this mix smells. If you try it, you're gonna fall in love with just the smell. Next, you're gonna pour on your whiskey marinade on your dry wings and mix well to make sure all this marinade is on every wings inside and out. So after mixing well, and when I say well, I mean super well, you're gonna put in the refrigerator and let marinate for a couple hours, or preferably overnight for best and the best result. Next, after marination, you're gonna add all of your wings on a baking sheet on a metal rack spaced apart to ensure proper cooking. After the 30 minutes of baking time is completed, you're gonna take them out, put your oven in low broil and broil them on low for another 10 to 12 minutes to ensure that crispy, drier texture. Now it's time to toss them in the barbecue sauce with some more whiskey. Here is the final result, my lovelies. You could just garnish with some spring onions, or you could just leave as is. Either way, it is just delicious. As always, my bells, thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe for future videos. Love you all. Au revoir.